Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add songs from TikTok to your videos on CapCut PC. So first you are just going to go back to your homepage or go to your account, and here make sure you've logged on to your TikTok account here. So if you haven't, just select sign in here and then open up your project and make sure you do the verification thing and stuff like that. And then to add in the audio from TikTok, you're just going to simply select audio and you're going to select the TikTok one. You also have this copyright check if you want to check the run check on your audio, but it's just going to load resources for mine. I'm just going to simply select this one, for instance, and download it. And then I'm going to add it on to my timeline, and that is it. So simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!